In this quick video, we're going to show you how you can get and enable Apple's newest feature for your iPhone, which is call recording. You can now record calls directly within any phone call that you have with someone, and it's just one click of a button away. Plus, it's good to know that the other party will receive a notification that the call is being recorded. The good news is that you don't need to download any third-party applications from the App Store in order to record calls, and let's learn how to enable this feature. Firstly, we have to go over to our settings, then General and Software Update. You see, the call recording feature is available for iOS 18.1 users and later. So if you have iOS 18 installed, and you wonder why this feature isn't showing up during your phone calls, then you'll have to update to the latest software update, which is iOS 18.1, and then you'll have the call recording option. Now I'm going to call a person, and let's say I want to record this conversation and have it saved on my phone so I can listen to it after I have the phone call. All I have to do is to wait for the person to answer the phone call, and after they pick up the phone, you're going to see this little button at the top left of your screen that looks like a little waveform, and you want to tap on that button, which will then start recording our call. But you have to keep in mind that the other person will know that the call is being recorded, because they will get a little sound notification which says, "This call will be recorded." So you can't record the conversation secretly. The other person will know that they're being recorded. After the message, the iPhone is going to start recording the conversation or phone call which you have, and you'll see a little waveform animation just like you have when recording your voice memos. These call recordings aren't saved in the Voice Memos application, but instead of that, Apple has decided to put them in the Notes app. So once you're finished with recording your call, you can simply tap on this little stop option right here, and then you'll get this little notification which you'll want to click on, and that will open the recording in the Notes app. So if you wonder where all of the phone recordings are, they are in the Notes application, and you can now listen to them. You will also have a live transcription of that call, and so on. So that's how you can record calls on iPhone. If you need some other tutorials for iOS 18 and your iPhone, just check out the playlist from the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.